we're going to talk about our little DT 466 engine. Again, this one's been stripped down completely. It will be cleaned. It's not cleaned, ready to build yet, but it has been stripped of paint and everything else. So it'll get a brand new crankshaft. It's been polished and everything, and we're working the cylinder head right now, and we'll start to put pistons and liners and new crankshaft into it, and that'll be our little DT 466 engine. Another one that we're starting to build right now also, we're getting ready to build. We've already did the deck work on top of it and the liner work. Got brand new cam bearings into it, and this is our little C12 cat. This will be great for all you guys in your cement mixers and your industrial equipment. Be an older C12. Great engine. We're going to kind of move around the corner here. This is our teardown area. We try to keep it as clean as we can. Sometimes it gets a little bit on the dirty side. But what we have right here is back to old school. You guys that are looking for those 12-liter Detroit engines, these 12 liters are the older engines, the 95s, 96, and 97s. That are all piston cooled. So these are the great blocks to have, the great engines to have. This one's got a lot of damage to it, but the block is really good block. And again, very hard to find today. So we'll get this thing built up. We got another 12-liter Detroit. This is going to be a full, complete running engine when we're done with it. Again, it'll get completely tore down. Get a new oil cooler. It's going to get polished cams, and this one may or may not be built with a genuine Detroit. It could be Interstate McBee, but anyway around it, it's going to get absolutely everything again, all brand new everything. And again, we have another 12-liter oil piston cooled. So this 12-liter, again, this one's Detroit. It's a 96, I believe. This will be a full, complete rebuild as well. And this one will probably be a genuine Cummins, or genuine Detroit, or a McBee. Depends on what we come up with at the time. Trying to save everybody a little money one direction or another. So you might want to go with aftermarket, or you may just want to go with a full, complete, genuine engine. We'll have both. We'll have multiples of both of them. And then for those guys that are really interested in the big dogs, we have the 570 Cummins. This is a PRE-EGR engine. It don't look like a whole bunch right now, but this is the Signature 600. This is PRE-EGR engine. This is great. Very hard to find. We luckily got our hands on one of them. This will not be an engine that's going to be a long block or a short block. This will be a full, complete running Signature 600. And we're hoping by the time it's all said and done, for those guys that really want that horsepower, we're looking for 700 to 800 horse out of this engine. So there it is, guys. That's the one we want. That's the one you guys are looking for. So with that being said, Diesel Engine Rebuilders, we're located right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Our phone number is 616-558-3063, or you can catch us on the web at dieselenginerebuildersllc.com.